Okay, so I just got finished up with my trading session for the day. As you can see, I ended up making around $223 in 10 of my PA Apex accounts. So in total, made just over $2,200 profit on the day. Now, this did not come from one trade like normally. So it actually took me 4 trades to get here. Basically, I started out with a small loss, and then I had a small win, another small win. I was up a little bit at that point, and then I had a little bit bigger winner, and finally ended the day out here. So anyways, want to go and recap my trades for you guys, show you some of the mistakes I made and what ended up working out. So my only real loss was this trade right here on gold. The rest were winners. They were just like smaller winners. All my runners basically got stopped out at break even. So anyways, the first trade was on gold, and we can see now this is on a 2-minute time frame. Bigger term trend is up. Pre-market was very choppy, so I probably should have expected this. I probably should have avoided trading gold. Just a complete sideways pre-action. Now, as you can see, like an hour before the market opened, we got this nice smooth rip up, and we pretty much got above all our pre-market levels, right? So we can mark this out, and we're holding this resistance area. So let me just draw this. We're holding this resistance area pretty nicely on gold. And if you guys don't know how I trade already, I'm a trend pullback trader. So I'm looking for basically aggressive moves up, followed by a light pullback, followed by a confirmation candle, and then to take that to another wave up. As you can see, that didn't happen. I ended up getting in right here on this candle and put my stop right below the candle. End up getting stopped out here for that small loss. So my original target was up at 280, but as you can see, we did get stopped out. So that was my gold trade. At this point, I was down around $1,000 on the day, $100 on each of my accounts. So it wasn't a huge loss, wasn't a big deal. Now the next couple trades I took were on NQ. So let's go over to NQ. Kind of show you what I was seeing. First, let's just zoom out to the 1 hour, kind of talk about the market. As you can see, we're pretty bullish right now. We're close to all-time highs on NASDAQ. We're at all-time highs on ES currently. Pretty much all night, we're in this range, right? But we came down to the support level. So let's zoom in now to the 5-minute. Came down to the support level from yesterday. Kind of faked out during pre-market. And then when the market opened at 7:30 my time, right on this candle right here, we immediately started ripping up. So now let me go into the first trade. This is on a 2-minute time frame. As you can see, same thing. I'm looking for an imbalance in the market. I knew that we just bounced off support level, so I was okay with taking longs if we got back into this range. Now, if we stayed in this range, right, this is where I would want to look for shorts. If we stayed below this level, I'd want to look for shorts, but as you can see, market open, we ripped up immediately. Okay, we're back above the support level. Let me go ahead and focus on long trades and seeing an imbalance of buyers and sellers, right? So as you can see, we got this aggressive move up, right? Some sellers started to step in, and then buyers stepped back in on this candle right here. So what this tells me is there's an imbalance, right, between buyers and sellers. Basically, if we sold all the way back off, then this would be a more balanced market because we're selling off just as much as we're getting bought up. But obviously that didn't happen. I ended up popping in at around 207 on NQ. Now I rode this up to my 1-to-1 risk reward, almost 20 points. So I trimmed half my position at my 1-to-1. I wanted more out of this trade. I wanted to get closer to this level, which we eventually got to. Right, but again, we wanted to chop around more, so it stopped me out at break even. And then I had a small win. I was basically break even on the day. And then from there, we had a lot of volume on this high. So I was basically saying to myself, I don't want to go long until we cross this high now, right? Or after this, right, I want to wait till we break this level, probably break this level to go short. I was like, okay, shorts under this level, longs above this level. Obviously, couldn't really do anything in this range as I was waiting for my levels to play out. We eventually got above this level, right? We're kind of teasing with it. We got a light pullback, so we saw another imbalance. Aggressive move up, light pullback, shows an imbalance to the buyers. Now, this would be the normal setup, right? Where I would get in right here, I'd get in long, but we still weren't surpassing this high, so I was a little bit worried about that. And then what happened is I actually went into a 30-second time frame to trade this, which is a time frame I like to trade a lot. And it looked like we're, kind of inching above that level more. So as you can see, this is where the 2-minute confirmation would have been. It kind of chopped around a little bit, got another little pullback from this nice move up, right? And then on this candle, right, this is where we started closing above all the highs from before, and it looked good to go long. So I actually went long right here at around 234. And then I took this up to a 1-to-1, had my stop below the lows, trimmed around 243 or something. And then we got another quick move up to 250 area. And that's where I fully got out of this position. And that's how I ended up making the $2,200 profit on the day, was all those trades combined. So anyways, guys, those are my trades for the day. Just to take another sneak peek at the overall market here. Basically, what we're doing here is we're trying to see if we can get to all-time highs, right? This is going to be very key over the next few days as we end this week out. It's only Tuesday, so we still got 3 more trading days. And now tomorrow, I'm going to be watching at this 260 area. Okay, so if we get above this 260 area, I want to play longs. Also, if we get above this 340 area, I also want to play longs. Now, if we get back below and we start selling off into this range again, right, this is where I want to start trading shorts. But overall, the trend is still up. We got this large move up yesterday, consolidated, got a light pullback. Right now we're inching back up again. So overall, the market is still bullish. I'll still be focusing on longs for the most part. I just don't want to enter longs at the resistance level or near it. I want to wait till we're above it and then get a nice little pullback on a smaller time frame. So anyways, that's going to be my plan for the week. We're going to see what happens. I'm not here to try to predict the market. I'm just reacting to what it does. Simple as that. So anyways, guys, hope you had a great trading day yourself. That being said, I will see you guys tomorrow morning at market open. That being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning inside our Discord community. If you guys don't know, I post my plans of exactly what I'm watching for every morning inside the trading plan channel. So if you guys aren't a part of our Discord community already, it's completely free to join. Charge no money. All you have to do is go to the first link in the description below. We'd love to have you inside. That being said, guys, as always, hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you at market open.